Welcome to Corolla, North Carolina, where dunes matter. Today we'll discuss the importance of dune restoration and a program that can help you protect our shores. I'm in front of one of our listings, 1259 Atlantic Avenue in Ocean Hill, and it has one of the most resilient dunes in the community. This is a key feature when buying or investing in an oceanfront property. Dunes play a crucial role in protecting coastlines from erosion, providing habitats for various plant and animal species, and acting as natural barriers against storms and strong winds. Currituck County offers the Dune Vegetation Cost Share Program. This program supports oceanfront property owners with purchasing, installing, and fertilizing sea oat plants. Eligible property owners can be reimbursed $150 per 100 linear feet of planted oceanfront property. To join, simply complete an online application. County staff will review your application and notify selected applicants. Remember, the sea oat plants must be installed by September 15, 2023 to be eligible for reimbursement. Together, let's protect our beautiful beaches through dune restoration. Protecting our beaches and coastline is crucial for our environment, tourism industry, and in quality of life. Like and subscribe below for more 411 on the Outer Banks.